All right, for this one, I drew a number line to help me. Okay, and I drew a 0 here. This was 1. This was 2. You can do this on your paper. And then this was 1/2. And this here is 1 and another half. So it's 1 and a half. Oh, sorry. And this is just 1/2. Okay, so this says you have to compare all of these fractions to less than 1, equal to 1, between 1 and a half, so that would be right here. Equal to 1 and a half, that would be right here. Between 1 and a half and 2, right here, or equal to 2. So let's start with 5/5. That's super easy. I know 5/5 is the same as 1 whole. It's equal to 1. Let's try another easy one. 4/4. Well, I know 4/4 is the same as 1 because it has the same number on the top and the bottom. Let's look at 8/4 right here. Well, let's see. It's cut into fourths, and there's 8 of them. I know that that numerator is bigger than the denominator. Maybe I'm going to draw a picture of 8/4. Okay, I'm going to shade in 8/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, well, that's 2 whole pizzas that I shaded blue. So this must be equal to 2 wholes. Awesome. Let's try 3/6. Well, I know the numerator is smaller than the denominator, so it's got to be less than 1 whole. Is 3 half of 6? It is. So it's actually 1/2. So let's see. I guess it's going to be less than 1. What about 1 and 5/12? Well, I know it's bigger than 1, so it's either going to be here, here, or here. What's half of 12? 6 is half of 12. So 1 and 6/12 would be 1.5. So 5/12 is going to be a little bit smaller than 1.5. It would probably be placed like about in here on the number line. So I know that's between 1 and 1/2. Goes right here. Okay. Let's look at 8/8. Well, that's easy. Equal to 1 whole. What about 13/10? 13/10. Well, I know the numerator is bigger than the denominator, so it's bigger than 1. What would be 1.5? Let's see. Well, half of 10 is 5. So 10/10 would be 1 whole. This would be 5/10. So 10/10 plus 5/10, that's 15/10. This right here would be the same as 15/10. Well, I only have 13/10, so I know it's going to be smaller. It's going to go in this range. So between 1 and 1/2. Making my way. This is 1 and 5/10. Well, I know that 1 is a whole. 5/10 is equal to a half because 5 is half of 10. So I know this is the same as 1.5. Okay? Then you just keep going like that. Draw a number line or draw some pictures to help you.